Transferring money between your RBC and TD accounts might seem tricky, but I'm here to break it down into super simple steps in less than 2 minutes. First, let's head into your RBC Mobile App. Look for the Move Money option. It's usually near the bottom of your screen. Tap on that to get started. Next, you're going to choose Send Interac Transfer. This is the easiest and fastest way to send money between banks in Canada. Now, you need to add your TD account as a recipient. If you haven't already, tap to add a new contact and enter the email address associated with your TD bank account. Make sure the email address is exactly the one you use for your TD account, otherwise, the transfer won't go through. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer from your RBC account to your TD account. Double-check that amount to avoid any errors. Create a security question and a memorable answer. This is important for security. Make sure the answer is something only you know but also easy for you to remember. Review all the details carefully: the recipient's email, the amount, and the security question. If everything looks good, tap Send Transfer. Now, switch over to your TD app or log into your TD account online. You should see a notification that you've received an Interac transfer. Click on the eTransfer notification and you'll be prompted to answer the security question you set up in the RBC app. Once you answer correctly, select the TD account you want to deposit the money into and click Deposit. And that's it. Your money is now successfully transferred from your RBC account to your TD account. You should see the updated balance in your TD account reflecting the deposit. Wasn't that easy?